Hello, beautiful people of the internet. Welcome. I'm trying to channel my best 80s, like Valley Girl for sure, you know? Welcome to today's video. As you can probably see by the title and by my face, today's video is an introduction to the Project Pan child of the 80s. And I am a child of the 80s. I grew up in the 80s and, yeah, believe it or not, I am that old. But I am channeling my best Cyndi Lauper. I totally forgot. I was gonna say Sheena Easton actually for some reason. But yeah, I'm channeling my best Cyndi Lauper today. A little Madonna thrown in, trying to get my hair as big as possible. I would hairspray it up a mile high if I could, but you know, that's it. That's all I can say. So, without further ado, welcome to the Child of the 80s Project Pan. This is a fantastic ladies collab group project. It was created by Jaylon. I will have her linked down below. Hopefully, I'll try and remember to do that. And it runs from January 1st until December 31st of 2022. It is a roulette style project. There are 80, as in, 80s, prompts for this project. I gotta have my tablet in front of me that has all the prompts because I was not going to write them all down. But I had fun doing this makeup look. It reminded me when I learned how to do makeup. I don't think I ever did makeup like this, but I remember blue eyeshadow. I had my first pair of glasses that were tinted, blue on the top and pink on the bottom, blue to go with my eyeshadow and pink to go with my blush, which was very pink back then. It's pink today. So yes, let's go ahead. Is there anything else to say? You are to pick 8 prompts to work on at a time, and roulette style rolling project. Ooh, got hair. And we just work on 8 at a time. One's done, roll in another one, and that's how it goes. Updates will be every month. I don't know why I said it like that, but I did. So I have pulled up the list of prompts on my tablet. I have my phone with a number generator, which we can't see because it's bright. Okay, maybe if I turn it, we can turn the brightness down somehow. The brightness, okay, that's gonna be too much trouble. There we go. Hey, I did it without even trying. Okay, so I have it set 1 to 80, and we're gonna go ahead and generate the first number, 74. That's the year I was born. Okay, now you know how old I am. And I didn't bring a pen. Hold on, I got one. All right, prompt number 74. I also have my pad of paper in front of me to write down the prompts. Hello, pen. This is a mechanical pencil. There we go. 74 is Milli Vanilli. Sorry, trip down memory lane here. I was listening to some 80s playlist on Spotify while getting ready. Milli Vanilli, wow. And the prompt for that, a product that isn't what you thought it was. And this actually was created by Marissa Bernal. Good job, Marissa. All right, something that wasn't what you thought it was. Okay. All right. Oh, I should write down the number. I didn't write down the number. I'll do this better next time. Okay. A lot of things to juggle. Okay, next prompt is number 7. Number 7. We got lots of 7. 74 and 7. And 7, is a tracksuit. What is the prompt for tracksuit? It is something soft. Something that makes you feel comfortable. Ooh, like a little velour tracksuit that makes you feel all comfy. Alright, that's fun. I will write that down later. Let's go number 44. Alright, number 44. It's 4s and 7s. It's a theme. Betamax. All right, Betamax. And that is... I lost it. A product that is small but mighty. I remember Memorex, like cassette tapes. Gotta break the tab off. Alright, that's 3. Next one... Did I hit it? Next one is number 22. You can't see it, but I can. 22 is... This is the fun of this. Back to the Future! This is the fun of this product, is like taking a trip down memory lane. I'm trying not to let my eyes water because this will all run down my face, which is totally a thing that, you know, happened back then. Back to the Future. Okay, and this is an old favorite. Got it. Okay. Next up, let me see if I can bring it. I gotta get a bright light source, maybe? I don't know. Okay, we'll just do this. 54. Another 4. Okay. And 54 is Weird Science. I had to say it that way. Weird Science. Alright. And I haven't even looked at all the prompts, so these are all, like, new to me. An unusual product, interesting formula. Okay. Alright. I haven't picked anything for any of these yet, so I don't know. 37. This is all new to me. This is exciting. This is like playing the lottery. Yo-yos. Yo-yo-yo. No, just kidding. It's yo-yos. You know, the toy where you on a string and you go and it spins and it comes back up. I used to have yo-yos. I loved yo-yos. A product, you can't decide how you feel about it. Okay, that is created by Deb. Thank you, Deb. That's a good choice. Yo-yos. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need 2 more because that was 6. Next number is 10. Take my word for it. It says 10. I know you can't see it. 10. Totally tubular. For sure. Oh my god. Totally tubular. And that is a product in a tube. And thank you, Deb, for that prompt. Oh, I wrote that in the wrong place. That's okay, we have one more. 26. Okay, I wrote totally tubular where the next prompt should go. So we'll fix this. Luckily, I'm writing in pencil, so it's not a big deal. Just say no. Just say no to drugs, okay? Dare to say no. Come on. Say no. No. All right. Just say no. Okay. And the prompt for just say no is something you don't like. Okay, let me think on these, find the products for these prompts, and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with products, and that took quite a while and a lot of thinking and soul searching. These are some really hard prompts, in my opinion. I'm looking forward to some other fun prompts, so let's go ahead and dive into what I picked. So for the first prompt, Milli Vanilli, a product that isn't what you thought it was, I am going with this Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. I got this from FabFitFun, and I thought it was like just a body moisturizer or something. I don't know. It says it's toned, firms, smooth. It's a pre-workout activator. It is a gel formula because it's a gel, and basically you rub this on before working out, and it's got menthol and green tea in it, and it makes your skin all tingly, and it's supposed to do stuff to your skin or to you. Yeah, that targets problem areas while working out to keep you visibly smooth and toned. Yeah, I'm going to try and use this 10 times. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's minty and yeah, just working out. Something I don't do on a regular basis. So I'm gonna put this down for you know what, let's make it 20 uses. Let's be daring and let's go 20 uses. Just because, you know, I may like it, I may not. I don't know. We'll see. I may start using it and go, no, we're going to only do 10. I don't know. But yeah, this is not what I thought it was when I first got it. So yeah. All right. And then next one is number 7, tracksuit. Something soft or something that makes you feel comfortable. Which is really, you know, a hard one, I think, in my opinion, for makeup, beauty items. So I did the best I could. I went with this Pearl Essence Rose Water Facial Mist, and as you can see, it's almost empty. It has a soft rose scent, and it makes me feel good when I spray this on. I use it as a toner, and I enjoy it, so I'm going to use this up until it's gone, and it's pretty much gone. I will try, let me grab a Sharpie, and I will mark where we are right now, if I can. There we go. Hopefully, well, I should have put that on a piece of tape. Okay. Because I want to keep the bottle, but that's okay. We'll wipe it off later with some acetone. But I marked it right there. That's where I'm starting at. So just a little bit left, but I definitely, that is nice and soft. Soft scent, soft mist on my face. It's great. Next, Betamax, something small but mighty. I went with the first thing that came to mind, and that is my mini Glam Glow Bright Eyes cream. I got this probably from Ipsy, and it has a good dip in it. Let me see if you can see that. I don't know, the lighting is so terrible. But it's got a good dip, and I want to put this down for, we'll use it up. Why not? Yeah, we'll use it up or till we hit jar. I mean, it is an eye cream, so we'll go until we hit jar, and then I might decide to continue using it. Depends on how many uses it takes to get to jar, the bottom of the jar. Next up is Back to the Future, an old favorite, and I pulled out my Avon Moisture Therapy Intensive Hand Cream for extremely dry skin. I don't think it's necessary, but I like it. It's an old favorite, and it's the last one I have left because I don't need 20 of them. Yeah, so I pulled that out, and I will use it until it's gone. So I go through hand creams pretty regularly. I usually apply hand cream at least once a day. So use that up. Next, for Weird Science, is an unusual or interesting formula, or product with an unusual or interesting formula. And this is one that gave me a hard time and I had to think about. So I decided to go with the LA Girl Pro Primer High Definition Eyeshadow Primer Stick. And it is in the shade Nude, and it looks like this. And it does roll up. I'm not going to roll it all up. I'm going to put this down for, and I'll give you a swatch of it. It's just a nude shade. There you go. I'm going to put it down for like 20 uses. Why not? Sounds good. I'm used to eye primers in like the tube. I've only had ever one eye primer. So I think this one is unusual. Yeah, maybe it's not, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. Yo-Yo, a product you can't decide how you feel about. For that one was pretty easy. I mean, it could have been for another product, but I went with my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. And I don't know. This one's kind of old. It is in the shade Fair Rose. It is a good match. It's a little bit light on me. But I don't know. It may be going old. It smells kind of like paint. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. I kind of want to try a different concealer, but I don't know what to go with. And so I'm going to be, in the future, looking for other concealers. But this is the only one I have right now. And let me see if I can mark it really quick. Of course, I was shaking it up, so I can't right now. But I am going to put it down for... Do I want to do... Let's do 10 uses. Because, you know, I'm not sure how I feel. And maybe I'll get a new one and I like it better. So 10 uses for my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Alright, totally tubular. I have a tube of lip oil. This is Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil in almond, sweet almond. And I keep this by my bedside and put this on every night as my like lip mask. So I want to use that up until it is gone because I don't plan on, you know, stopping using it. And then lastly, the thing that was hardest probably to pick, because I curate my makeup in such a way that I don't buy things I don't like, and if I have things I don't like, I usually pass them on. So it took me a little while, and I came up with my Pan That palette for this year, and it's something I'm not excited to have in my... I don't dislike it, but I'm not excited by it, and it is my Pan That palette for this year, but I am going to work on this shade 8000, because that sounds like an 80s thing, and I'm going to try and use that 10 times. It is a dark highlighter. I'll give you a swatch of that there. It is too dark for me to use as a highlighter, but I might use it. Try using it as a shimmery bronzer or as an eyeshadow in somehow. I'm not thrilled or excited by brown eyeshadows. This is more my style. This is a little bit over the top, but this is a little bit more my style. So I don't like it. It's not, you know, yeah, that's it. I don't like it. I don't hate it. I'm not gonna throw it away, but yeah, that's it. So that is my introduction to this project, Child of the 80s. Excuse me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. And if you enjoyed my content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And also, you know, thank you for watching to the end of the video. And if you did, you know, put a big purple heart in the comments section. Let me know. Anyway, I will talk to you later in my next video. And tomorrow's my birthday, just so you know. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye.